Greetings from Svärdsön Nature Reserve and Nudist beach. Yes, this is a unofficial spontaneous nudist nature reserve that stretches quite long, and this is where it begins, right next to Svärdsön. And it is absolutely amazing feeling to be here on this 15th of August. And I have traveled here with my gravel bike. It took exactly 20 kilometers to get here, and I was passing by my favorite route through Svärdsön Nature Reserve, passing by through Svärdsön and then here at Svärdsön. And I have found here a very nice spot for myself. And I saw some people walking on the other side along the cliffs. I have been there on the other side as well, and you can basically walk here through the forest to the other side as well. But it is pretty calm indeed, because there is a bit of a wind. However, it is 24 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and in the sea it is 19 degrees Celsius. So yeah, today is probably one of the warmest days in Sweden so far overall. I heard that yesterday it was up to 28, 29 in the south of the country. Here they predicted today 27, but it only turns out up to 25, I think, the maximum. But still it is very warm, and you can feel in the air it's a bit suffocating also a bit. However, with the wind, it's obviously a lot nicer. And yes, Beach Adventures with Chris, I'm showing you yet another nudist beach spot here in Stockholm, more specifically in Nacka. So these cliffs that start over here, all the way along, approximately around 1 kilometer of cliffs. So perfect continuous nudist beach spots out on the Baltic Sea. Alright, so yes, to get here you can come obviously like by bicycle, by car, or there are even buses that start from Svärdsön in the direction towards Älvö, but they are not so common and frequent as such. And as I mentioned, 15th of August, and beach the number 119 on Swedish Adventures. I can't believe that tomorrow is going to be 120 beach days, which is basically 4 months if we consider the month being 30 days. And we have then 81 days left now to reach the last year's record, which is less than 3 months. So if I count September, October, November, until 15th of November, I need to do beach adventures basically. Actually less than that. So until maybe end of October. So yeah, anyway, let's then get going and have a swim here in this beautiful Baltic Sea here in the beautiful nature in Svärdsön Nature Reserve. I will go on the other side probably in the upcoming weeks as well to show you how it is there as well. But yeah, let's then kick it off with a swim here in the Baltic Sea. Oh, it is not slippery at all actually. I thought it's going to be so slippery because of the seaweed, but apparently not. It looks absolutely stunning indeed. And this here is like a small bay actually. And I can't believe I'm all alone on this hot day like this. So yeah, let's then get going and take a swim at this unofficial spontaneous nudist beach in Nacka in the Svärdsön Nature Reserve. Let's then go! Oh my god, it is so salty in the sea and nice. unusually salty today. Maybe there are some currents that are coming from the middle of the sea right here in Svärdsön Nature Reserve. It's so wonderful. First I wanted to go to Erstavik and stop there, but I was like, I was too many times there. I need to show you another nature reserve, and especially that it's a nudist beach spot here that starts in the Svärdsön Nature Reserve. Amazing, isn't it? Ah, beautiful. I feel so blessed to be able to live in such a beautiful city like Stockholm, actually region, because it is quite huge and there are so many different municipalities, and Nacka is one of them and one of my favorites, together with Värmdö and Haninge when it comes to the beaches, because I love the sea and I obviously love the beaches and beach spots that are on the Baltic Sea. So that's a wrap then from Svärdsön Nature Reserve, this wild nudist beach spot. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.